Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Noor and I am a student of Nifty Sphere Institute of Arts and Design. Today, the topic of my talk is the impact of graphic designing or any other skill on economic security. First, we have to understand that what is economic security. Economic security is the ability of individuals, households, and communities to cover their essential needs sustainably and with dignity. There are several factors in the growth of economic security, but the most important factor is the unemployment. Unemployment can be vanished by learning some skills like graphic designing and becoming a skillful person. With graphic designing or any other skill, you can earn without stepping out of your house. For example, let's take freelancing as an example. If a person is a freelancer, then it means that he is bringing foreign currencies in Pakistan, and this leads to development in economic security. Moreover, a skillful person demand is higher in market than the person who has no skills, and this creates a huge impact on economic security. Let's take a look at stats of the worldwide freelancing market. Pakistan is on the fourth number in freelancing all over the world. If we compare US freelancing market with Pakistan freelancing market, then US freelancing market it creates $21,000 individual per year, but in Pakistan the figure is $35,000 per year for an individual, and the freelancing market of Pakistan is more stronger and bigger than the US or Canadian freelancing market. And there is one more factor in development of economic security, that is the GDP of a country, or we can say that per capita income. If we take a look at the US GDP, then it's $20 trillion. It means that per capita income is more than $5,000, and this creates a huge impact on economic security. And in Pakistan, the GDP is $273 billion, and an individual get less than $1,000, and the $1,000 income is no more for sustainability. And one more factor in economic security is that the government should manage and take a look at freelancing market, because in Pakistan the government does not take a look at freelancing market, and the management is zero in Pakistan. While we compare with North America or South America, the freelancing market is very good and the government supports the freelancers. That's why they grow up, and Pakistan is also growing up, but we need a little bit of management, and that is the main thing. Now let's take a look at graphic designer and economic security, how it's linked together. Graphic designer is a person who creates a visual communication through his images, text or typography or any other thing. If a person is a graphic designer, then it creates a huge impact on economic security. For example, a graphic designer can make roughly $30,000 a year, and if the dollars is coming into Pakistan, and so the Pakistan economy will lead. In the end, I will say that you guys should join the Nifty Sphere Institute of Arts and Design and get a skillful education under the supervision of Sir Usman and many other teachers. Nifty Sphere has the best teachers in Islamabad, and they will teach you a skillful education which will lead you in freelancing market at higher ranks.